is for Avala Tower, standing tall and grand.
Serbia's proud landmark, watching over the land.
B is for Burj Khalifa, reaching up so high.
The tallest tower in Dubai, almost touching the sky.
C is for CN Tower, tall and very grand.
It watches over Canada, the tallest in the land.
D is for Doha Tower, shining in the sun.
Its patterns light the city when the day is done.
E is for Eiffel Tower, sparkling day and night.
A famous Paris landmark, shining oh so bright.
F is for Fernsehturm, spinning up so high.
A shining tower in Germany, stretching to the sky.
G is for Galata, watching Istanbul below.
A tower full of history from long ago.
H is for Hercules Tower, shining bright in Spain.
It helps the ships find their way even in the rain.
I is for Izmir Clock Tower, standing tall and neat.
A famous Turkish landmark in the city's busy street.
J is for Jinmao Tower, tall in Shanghai's light.
A tower full of floors that sparkle through the night.
K is for KL Tower, standing tall and bright.
Watching over Malaysia with an amazing sight.
L is for Leaning Tower of Pisa, tilting to the side.
A unique Italian landmark that makes tourists mile wide.
M is for Macau Tower. In China, it stands tall.
Brave people bungee jump and have a thrilling ball.
N is for Namsan Seoul Tower, glowing in Korea's night.
Korea's glowing landmark, casting soft and lovely light.
O is for One World Trade Center, rising strong in New York's sky.
A tower of dreams that lift hopes high and never says goodbye.
P is for Petronas Towers, twin wonders in the night.
Kuala Lumpur's gleaming pair, glowing silver bright.
Q is for Qutub Minar, shining bright in India's sun.
Its steps climb round and round, a tower loved by everyone.
R is for Rheinturm, glowing near and far.
Dusseldorf city beacon in Germany, twinkling like a star.
S is for Space Needle, standing bold and tall.
Seattle's famous tower, loved by one and all.
T is for Taipei 101, rising to the sky.
Taiwan's famous tower that shines from way up high.
U is for Ulminster, in Germany so grand.
It's the tallest church, reaching high above the land.
V is for Vancouver Lookout, rising high in Canada's air.
From its round top, you can see the city shining everywhere.
W is for Willis Tower, Chicago's mighty peak.
Its sky-decked glass floor thrills the bold and the meek.
X is for Xi'an Bell Tower, ringing through the past.
A musical Chinese landmark built to always last.
Y is for Yokohama Marine Tower, shining by the shore.
A coastal guiding lighthouse loved forevermore.
Z is for Zifeng Tower, in Nanjing standing tall.
A twisting steel landmark seen from miles by all. Well done, everyone. See you next time. Bye.
Subscribe for more.